Here is how to fix the login loop error in Epic Games Launcher. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the login loop error in Epic Games Launcher. So let's start. The first thing that you can do is go to Task Manager. For that, go to the taskbar and right click on it. And then go to Task Manager. Now search for Epic Games Launcher. After that, right click on it. And then click on End Task. Then restart Epic Games Launcher and it might fix the issue. Another thing that you can do is try clearing the cache of Epic Games Launcher. For that, press Windows plus R and then type %local app data and then % once again. After that, click on OK or press Enter. Then after locate Epic Games Launcher, go to Saved. Now you will find this web cache folder. Delete this folder and restart your PC. This can solve the issue as well. Finally, the third method that you can do is uninstall Epic Games Launcher and reinstall it. Or you can also try repairing Epic Games Launcher. In order to repair, press Windows key and then search for Control Panel. Go to uninstall a program. Now search for Epic Games Launcher and click on it. You will find this repair option in here. Click on it. Then the repairing process will start. After that, if the problem still arises, then make sure to check if the problem is in the server itself. In order to do that, go to browser and then search for Epic Games server status. Open the official website of Epic Games. Then after, check if there is any issue with the server. If you find any issue, then it might take some time for them to fix it. You just have to wait for it. So by applying these methods, you can fix the login loop error in Epic Games Launcher. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.